Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today I'm in the kitchen again and I'll be showing you how to make your natural blend seasoning. This is how I do it at home and this is everything that I'll be using. So I'm going to wash and cut up everything and get back to you. So this is everything cut up and washed. I'm adding it to the blender now. After that, I'm going to add some white vinegar and some water and I'm going to blend. So it's really easy to make and it is a healthy option and it helps to make your food taste better. I'll also be adding some powdered seasoning to it. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy my video and I hope my video helps someone. I'm blending until it is at the desired texture. I don't want it to be too watery and I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to have chunks of the onion and everything in it. So this is how I want it to look. You can make it more watery if you like or thicker if you like, but this is how I want it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up and share and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye. Man.